Look.
Fuck you, Julian.
They got another Qantas right there, 7-4, ain't it?
Yeah.
Shit box.
Fuck you, Julian.
Shit box. Look at it, man. He need to turn the mood lights on. That's not a 7-4, is it?
I own all those cars in the imagination. That's fine.
I can tell you 7-4.